Oh wait, the TV's on. Hey, we are in Vancouver and I'm with my brother. We're gonna go and take some pictures and have some fun. So, let's go. I feel like we shouldn't have put gum in our mouth right before we start talking.
We're gonna do an instant camera film shoot competition.
Here.
I don't even know what you win. I don't even know if it's considered a competition. It's just gonna be
a competition.
All right, I guess it's who can take better photos. The FujiFilm Flash Smile and Snap. Large flash once, point, begin capturing fun.
Let's capture the fun.
Let's go.
Let's go. Unboxing. Smile and Snap.
ASMR.
ASMR. Wait, I thought that was a brand.
They like to hear the crinkles.
This is it.
Have you ever done a photo challenge before?
No, I've never done a photo challenge. I've never done any challenges. This is my first ever challenge.
Okay, good.
Let's do this thing. I'm gonna take a picture of this pizza.
Oh, wait, you're gonna start right now.
Yeah. Hold on, let's clean up.
Right. You're gonna take a picture of the food, like Instagram
No, I want...
That's gonna be your first image that you're gonna show?
No,
Wow.
Take your bite of your pizza. Let the games begin.
Oh, what do you want to not do class?
I don't know.
That's photo one.
Photo number one. You about to take your first shot?
Oh no, the steam went away, dang it.
I like the flowers. Should I do the flash?
I would use the flash, yep.
Flash. Got it. I got it with the taxi. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
So where are we headed?
Granville Street.
Granville Street.
Get some neon lights.
Okay. I don't know if... No, I only have 27 shots.
Did you get one?
No.
I like this Belmont Hotel area. I don't really know what I'm doing.
Whoa, nice. I don't see anything yet. Like the whole video is gonna be saying, I don't see anything.
I have taken, I have 24 photos left. Kyle, how many photos do you have left?
I don't know how to have the same.
What? What have you taken pictures of?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna go from the other side here. Try and get the photos.
Well, you're going with flash, huh?
I don't know.
It's up to you. What do you want? What do you think's gonna turn out best?
Nope. Flash on. Probably.
I would go no flash.
No flash.
Because it's a little bit far away.
And it's also pretty bright.
Yeah.
Got it.
That's it.
I keep wanting to turn off the camera.
I know. This viewfinder. No, sorry guys, it's not gonna work.
Yay, he took a picture.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I just want to see how the orange shows up on the FujiFilm.
Yeah. I like it. That's some cool lines. Lines and blue stuff.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Who knows?
Look at them all. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I don't like it. Thanks to Kyle, Joseph.
Shut up. Let's go. Let's go.
This is a great color combination for FujiFilm. Got him. So, had to take a quick break, charge our battery, but now we're ready. And also it was raining.
And I also changed my shirt, in case you're wondering.
Yeah, fresh. Get him. Quick stop for some bubbles.
You like bubble tea? Hit that subscribe button.
Yep. This pink is my aesthetic. Tried it. We've made our way into Gastown now, and the rain is really coming down, but there's some good photo opportunities coming up. Okay, we're gonna take turns getting a picture of the steam pot. So I'm gonna go first.
Go, go, go.
Make it count. Going for a pedal kit.
Whoa! Wow! Wow! That's a great shot.
Good pedal too.
How'd it feel? Nice. Not wide enough.
Nice.
I'm trying to get through the film. To be honest, I got 2 photos left. The next 2 photos have to come out. Nice.
Okay, my newest goal is to get a picture of someone's dog, because I know that's going to do well with the votes.
Nice. What happened?
The dog and I got nervous. Okay, I'm finding another dog.
If there's a dog in there, you can go get a picture of.
I look like a wet dog.
Take a picture of yourself? Oh, wait, what inspired you?
The gate.
Wow. Okay. That's actually really cool. With the yellow, go.
That is artistic cone.
There you go. Wow. You're getting real inspired. You're getting real inspired today. Wow. Old school, is that it? Oh, you have one more. Dang. That is going to be just a big white flash. That's it. How do you feel you did? We haven't gotten them developed yet, so.
I feel like maybe out of the 27, like 15 are going to be good.
Wow, that's a really good ratio.
Yeah. I feel like I did a really good job.
Wow. I think I have maybe 2 good shots in my out of my 27, but we'll have to find out. Well, it's been 24 hours and we have developed our film at Rocket Repro Graphics.
Yeah.
Anyway, this little place. They said they could get it back to us within 24 hours, so we're here, we're back, and we're just waiting to look at the images. Have the clear winner in this package.
This package, right?
And
Mine.
not winner in this package right here. So,
I'm gonna be the winner. Vote for me. Take me. We've gotten our pictures back. It's really exciting. We've been given the negatives, which Kyle has here. They emailed us the digital copies, so I'm gonna obviously be the winner for all my picks.
If you win, I'm just gonna quit.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Footage of Frogger.
Hey, your turn.